Alright guys, to all our YouTubers, all our audience, all our followers, here's where we get our materials, dollies, hand truck. You can find anything on here on New Haven moving equipment. So we're gonna do a little shopping today, okay? And then I'm just gonna show you. You can find in one of these stores, local stores, equipment, New Haven at your city and your cities. You just Google it and see which one is your closest one to you guys. You can see those their trucks. This is what one of our favorite a store to buy equipment, and here is why. You can rent, buy, or get or order anything from these guys right here, from this company. Yeah, New Haven equipment. All right, we open the door. They're open and close at 4. They're open at 8 or 10, 7:30. And as you can see, they have all kind of nice equipment for moving. See, let me just give you a little tour here. This is good for glass tables, mattresses. This little cart. We have blankets, all type of blankets. We got rubber bands. We got straps. I haven't used this one yet. See, this is rubber bands, huge rubber bands. Most of we use is the orange ones. So if you wanna use these ones. This is our favorite ones. Okay, they have blankets. They have all type of bungees, straps. As you can see, they have the rock runners, like I mentioned it before, the one we use for the moves all the time. They have all type of dollies. This is the two types that we use for regular moves. This is the large one. Just ordered it with 5-inch wheels. That's the best way for these big dollies. This one just put probably 4-inch wheels on this one, the small ones. So you need both sizes actually for the moves. Don't use that. That's not for movers for us. This is for something else. This is too. If you put furniture on these type of dollies, they're gonna slide and fall. This is the bars for the mattresses, and this one is already padded with plastic, so you don't have to worry about scratch any furniture. All right. This is the type of wheels. Always use. This is a 5 inches right here. This is a 5 inches for this one. They also have a good prices here, as you can see. They're on sale. This is for large ones. Use these ones, and for the small ones, use the 4-inch regular. Okay. And they also have ramps, all type of ramps, packing materials, markers, all different packing materials right here. You can see shrink wrap. You got bubble wrap, boxes, gondolas that we call bin boxes, gondolas. We got piano boards to move grand pianos, baby grand pianos. We have this is one of our favorites to move heavy items, all terrain, 6-wheelers. This is very nice ones. You should have one of those in your truck. What else we got? This is the dollies for move safes, and you can also rent if you have an account with them. You can always rent the equipment from them. All type of boxes. What else? Well, we got a lot of stuff that you can see right here in this store. This is New Haven equipment, moving equipment. This is a regular dollies. Well, this is not really for movers, so don't buy those. That's not for us. The one for us is gonna be on this section right here. We got the aluminum. As you can see, this is the short ones. This is not good for us either. Well, it's not for stairs. If you wanna use the one we have, and it's gonna be this one right here. Okay, this is the large one. Very nice. You can see this is the just get a 12 by 20 nose. You know, it's a little, I think it's still a little bigger right here. It goes all the way down here. And get the stair climbers, which is this kit right here. You can buy separately if you already got your dolly. This is for liberator. So this is a kit to use for stairs. You just put it right here, and that's it. You got all different kinds, types. If you want to do with a loop handle, with grip right here, that's good. But this is one of the best right here, especially for a stair. Okay. Then we have, of course, the dolly. We used to do that, guys. Not anymore much. We don't use this one anymore because we don't have strong people anymore right now. The youngest people, guys right now, you know, they're not really strong anymore. That's why we stopped using this. So we use more this. We go use that. We go use all that. We use the gun safe dollies, and that's it. All right. Right here are the loops for handle, the loops for the dolly. So get the large one, and this is the little ones they use. That's for another moving to move stuff different ways. But just get the big one, okay, like that, with 12 by 20 plate nose. All right, that'll be all. We'll be shopping today for some materials right now. Any questions, just let us know. All right, see you next time.